Hey everybody, Barry with Christenson Transportation. We're the trucker's truck and safety takes priority. So by now everybody knows I do these videos more outside the company than inside the company. I think watches them, but we're working on it. So last week I sent out a message saying, hey, you know, I don't need to be the creator of all video content, so some of the drivers were kind enough to send me some suggestions. So the first one that I want to talk about, which was a good one, is the simple things that we can do to make the equipment last longer, ease your wear and tear, and that's greasing your fifth wheel. You know, I come out and I see fifth wheels and they're dry, or they got dust on them, or grit, or just, you know, not grease. So I don't know, you can take a couple pieces of sandpaper and put them together and then just move your palms and they stick. It's like Velcro. And what you don't want to have on your back of your truck is 50,000 pounds of weight pushing your tires when you're turning, and it's just grinding, and it's not pivoting, it's pushing. So it's just wearing your tires. It's like you see these drivers and they'll go do a U-turn, and the inside tires on the trailer, they don't rotate at all, they just skid in a circle, and they get round spots, flat spots on them, because of all that pressure. You're turning too tight, putting too much strain on it. So, you know, keep some fifth wheel, keep a thing to lube your truck with. Make it so it's just a nice pivot. It's kind of like pushing a car or motorcycle with a flat tire. It's really hard. It's the same effect of not having air pressure is not having grease on there. So just a little thing to think about when you're walking around your truck, you're doing your pre-trip, put some grease. You can get little packets at the truck stop, so they're one and done. You can get a grease gun, whatever you got to do, but it's a little bit of effort, a little bit of money to save $5,000 in tires and wear and tear on everything. So do yourself a favor. Not all of these things are just for Barry to benefit from. These are you. These are the fleet. These are the company. So we can spend money wisely. There's no sense throwing it out and continuing that process. So do yourself a favor, grease them up, let it slip inside. Life will be good. And today, sponsor is all the people that voted out the Florida State Seminoles, the undefeated Florida State Seminoles, from playing in the football championship. Undefeated. Highway robbery. I swear I'm going to get over it. It's just taking a little bit longer than I thought. So, thanks for being where the trucker's truck and safety takes priority. And thank you drivers for submitting your questions and your topics.